In this video, we show how to replace a Boss in-1 card carrier on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing the Boss in-1 card carrier, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the card carrier, pull the retention lock latch to the open position. Holding the latch, slide the carrier out. To remove the SSD, using a screwdriver, remove the screw securing the SSD in place. Then slide the SSD out of the carrier. To install the SSD, align it at an angle and insert until firmly seated in the carrier. Then tighten the screw, securing it into place. To install the card carrier, slide it into the module slot and close the release latch to lock it into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.